In this video, I will be showing you how to get the Epic Game Store in the iPhone or iOS. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end and make sure that you follow all the steps that are included in this video. So go to the Safari browser in the iPhone. So once you are in the Safari browser in the iPhone, go to the search tab and search Epic Game Store's download. Here you will see the second link which says get the Epic Game Store for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Just go and tap on it. Once you do it, all you have to do is to swipe it down. And here you will see a lot of different sort of options. But here you will see an iOS option which says for iPhones and iPads. Just go and click on it. And once you click on it, you will be redirected to the menu where you can download the application for the iOS. You can also search it in the iOS store, which can be really easy for you guys, but if you don't find it in your region, you can simply download it using this link. So that's how you can do it.